How to insert and hide formulas and functions in Excel. Inserting and hiding formulas and functions in Excel may be relevant, especially when several people are working on the same worksheet. If the formulas and functions are not hidden, one can easily tamper with them and disrupt how these formulas and functions compute results. In this tutorial, TechTricksGh will walk you through the process of inserting and hiding formulas and functions in Excel. This is TechTricks 2025 sample exhibition budget. It has a budget amount button, expenses button, and balance button. The expenses button takes its source from the detailed expenses below. You can insert a function here and a formula below to compute the results. First, enter a budget amount. For instance, 50,000 Ghana cedis. The chart link to the worksheet pops up. It is now time to insert a function that will sum all the expenses you will be incurring in your quest to exhibit your products. For instance, type the equal sign followed by sum. When a sum function appears, double-click to add it to the active cell. You then select all the detailed expenses range. Close the brackets and press the enter key to activate the function. As you can see, your expenditure is 0.0 Ghana cedis because you have not input any expenses. You can now insert a formula that will subtract your expenses from your budget. To do this, type the equal sign, select your budget amount, followed by a minus sign, the expenses, and press the enter key to activate this formula. As you can see, your balance is 50,000 Ghana cedis because you have not input any expenses. As a result, your cash at hand is still 50,000 Ghana cedis. It is now time to input the expenses for publicity. For instance, 20,000 Ghana cedis. Instantly, Excel computes the results automatically and display it within milliseconds. Continue by keying the expenses for security. For instance, 10,000 Ghana cedis. Instantly, Excel computes the results automatically, display it within milliseconds, and update it on both the expenses and the balance area, respectively. Speed up the process for the rest of the expenses, and Excel will compute the results automatically within milliseconds. The legend below displays the budget in green, while the expenses is in blue, and the balance in orange. The balance is the result of budget minus expenditure. To hide the expenses function, right-click on it and select Format Cell from the list. Navigate to the Protection button and make sure that Lock and Hide are ticked and hit OK. Do the same for the Balance button. Right-click on it and select Format Cell from the list. Now navigate to the Protection button and make sure that Lock and Hide are ticked and hit OK. It is now time to protect the worksheet. To do this, go to the Review tab and hit Protect Worksheet from the Protect group. From the dialog box, enter your password, maintain the current settings, and hit OK. Re-enter your password again and hit OK. After adding protection to the worksheet, the detail amount is visible and editable. The same implies the budget amount, but the expenses function and the balance formula are hidden and not editable. That's it, TechTricksGh. Don't forget to share, like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification for more tutorials.